In 2001, the freight ship Windock makes its way up the St. Lawrence River, carrying goods into Canada.
This is Windock. We're coming through.
Boat's coming. Should the bridge be up or down?
You're gonna want to go up. Higher! Higher! No!
Ooh, you missed it by this much.
This is why I never travel by ship.
Who's operating this bridge?
Yeah, it's just, how you doing, honey? Just really happy I got off that Valdez incident.
Leif! Hello?
It's all good. It's all good.
Not again! The good thing about it is, now this boat can fit under any bridge.
The ship bursts into flames.
Yeah, this is your captain speaking. We're on fire.
The boat is on fire. We don't need no water because we're sitting in it.
Fire extinguisher! Need a fire extinguisher!
You know, technically, it's just the top part of the ship. Damage doesn't look too bad here.
All 22 crew members are rescued from the ship. Investigators find that the bridge tender was impaired by alcohol and painkillers consumed earlier that day.
That guy should lose his license for anything he has a license for. A bridge, a car, a dog. Don't let him do anything.